Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin inside Lightroom with your chosen photo or selection. Select the images and choose Edit In, then open as Smart Object in Photoshop. This preserves non-destructive edits. Make sure you set file format, color space, and resolution in the dialog so Photoshop receives the right data. Doing this first avoids extra conversions later. Once sent, Lightroom creates a reference and keeps your raw adjustments intact. You can return and re-edit in Lightroom, while Photoshop maintains layers and Smart Object linkage. Once Photoshop opens the Smart Object, you should edit using layers, masks, and adjustment layers to stay non-destructive. Use cloning, healing, compositing, or camera raw filter inside the Smart Object if you need raw-level tweaks. Avoid rasterizing unless you need a permanent pixel change. Keep the Smart Object to preserve re-editability. When you save in Photoshop with Ctrl or CMD+S, Photoshop writes the edited TIFF or PSD, and Lightroom detects the update and imports the changes automatically, so you maintain a clean round-trip workflow. To finalize, save, and close Photoshop, Lightroom refreshes and shows the edited PSD/TIFF alongside your originals. You can continue Lightroom edits and reopen the Smart Object to sync changes. This two-way link lets you refine exposure in Lightroom and composite in Photoshop without losing history. If the image looks different or missing, make sure both apps use the same color profile, check Lightroom's cache and folder paths, and relink missing files in Library. That single troubleshooting step fixes most round-trip problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.